Hi there, students. Omen. An omen. A countable noun. And I guess you could have the adjective omenic, but that's very unusual. You also have ominous, but ominous is slightly different. Okay, an omen is something that is considered a sign of what will happen in the future. It's a sign that an event will be successful or will not be successful. Yeah, it's an omen. An omen says whether something will be good or bad. Okay, so omens, portent, something that tells the future. It foretells what's going to happen. In ancient times, and maybe even today a little bit, people believe that these are divine messages from the gods. For example, these very often include or included natural phenomena like an eclipse of the sun, yeah, or the abnormal births, if a child was born with 6 fingers or things like that, or omens as well, the way an animal behaved before it was going to be sacrificed. Or you could look at the the sky, the sun, the moon, and the clouds, and this would tell you what was going to happen, what would be what would be auspicious, what would be a good omen, and what would be a bad omen. And like that, you have a possibility to take action to avoid disaster. But an omen, normally it doesn't say whether whether the change is going to be good or bad. Notice as well, an omen doesn't normally say what's going to happen. It just says if it's good or bad. But I think omen is much more commonly used for bad things, and that's why we have the word ominous. And if something is ominous, it's negative. The black clouds appeared and ominously threatened rain on the cricket match, for example. Okay, so an omen, something which portends the future. It predicts the future. So the appearance of a ghost is a bad omen, perhaps, or maybe a good omen. It depends whose ghost it is. Okay, the people think that a broken mirror is a bad omen. It brings 7 years bad luck. Or, for example, there's this counting rhyme with magpies: 1 for sorrow, 2 for joy, 3 for a girl, and 4 for a boy. These are omens. It depends how many magpies you see as to what's going to happen. So this is an augury. It says that if something good or bad is going to happen, it indicates whether the future is going to be bad or not. So the appearance of an eagle was a good omen. It was a sign, yeah, a warning, a threat, a portent that could be both good or bad, but most normally we use it for something bad. Maybe as well, you'll probably remember the film. Well, you won't. The film The Omen. This was one of the great horror films when I was a kid. And this was a film with Gregory Peck about the devil, the son of the devil being born. Okay, so an omen, yeah, something that foretells a future event, a good or evil augury, yeah, an omen, something that is going to tell us what's going to happen. Okay, formality, omen. I think I'm going to give it a 5.5 in formality. I think you could use absolutely anywhere. And as to origin, okay, there's a Latin word, omen, from Old Latin, osmen. Uh, okay, maybe osmen comes from the mouth, but an omen, yeah, it's the Latin word for something that is going to predict the future, a harbinger. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Omen.